Hello guys, welcome to this video. So today I've got something special for you. Now I want to tell you about Winner FX and how well I've been doing with it. Now of course I've got a POV driving around in my Tesla. I'm really enjoying it right now. Life's been pretty good, you know, weather's kind of shining now, which is pretty nice. Now as you can see, as I'm showing you on the screen here, I've got some results that we've been getting with Winner FX. So me and Zafar, so Zafar is the creator of Winner FX. So just to clarify, I basically use Winner FX, partnered with Zafar. Zafar is the creator and coder of Winner FX. So we pretty much are working together to bring this product to you. Now this is something that's specialized for prop firm trading as well as personal trading. Now we've been focusing on bringing you gold sets as well as forex sets. Now this has been working quite well. Now a lot of clients have been loving the fact that you do have that versatility with Winner FX to be able to manage your drawdown, manage your trading in terms of whether you want to trade during the news or outside of the news. But trust me guys, this has been working quite well. Now I know you're probably wondering, like, is this video about Tesla money? Of course, that's a notification. Let me just mute my phone. So in terms of how well it's been working right now, it's been absolutely killing the market. Like, the market has been quite turbulent, but Winner FX can adapt to the market, unlike other different EAs where you're constantly having to pause the EA, take the EA off, manage your drawdown. Winner FX does everything for you. Now you can even manage Winner FX to do prop firm trading. For example, let's say you get an account that's HFT passed, like a Next Step funded or OnlyFans. So because you have to use a fixed lot trading style, Winner FX can actually allow you to set to trade on a fixed lot as well as to trade a martingale lot size or grid trading. But because you can use that versatility, it means that you can use it for FTMO, E8, OnlyFans, True Forex funds, Next Step funded. What's the other one now we're looking at? Funded Next. All the prop firms are going to be compatible with Winner FX. Now if you're interested in getting Winner FX, either contact me directly through my Instagram, Telegram that's below, or you can contact Zafar and let him know that I sent you. Now this is something special for you guys and I really want you to get into this. Now unfortunately we're not offering any free trials because the software is that powerful. However, we are giving you a chance to have the current optimized software of TSR. So I've got TSR 14 and we've also got a new project coming up called SAD. So SAD is going to be another powerful software that you're going to be able to use with EA trading to do prop firm trading. So that's it for me signing out with this video. See you in the next one. See ya.